Hey everyone. So this is my Kalanchoe tomentosa, also known as the chocolate soldier. I've had it since October 2025 last year, and for about a month I kept it in my balcony with just morning sun lang. But it started stretching, so I moved it to my indoor grow light setup here in Manila now. As you can see, yung bottom part niya, it's a bit leggy, but the top part looks nice. This is one of the most hardy plants I have. It survived three ants infestation. After watering once, so many ants came out. I had to treat it with soapy water and alcohol. And this happened three times over a month. But now the ants are gone and it's still thriving. I'm planning to propagate it soon to fix the stretch, and I'll replant it in the middle of the plant. Balik ko lang siya sa gitna. Like cut and then plant again for a fuller look. I'll post another video update in a few months to show you how it turns out.